anti-sleep alarm system using MSP430 LunchBox. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konark Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of anti-sleep alarm system using MSP430 LunchBox from Himanshu. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand the basic overview of anti-sleep alarm system using MSP430 LunchBox. So, let's get it started.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Himanshu. I am a student of Netaji Subhas University of Technology, MTech EVLSI student, and my roll number is 2023 PEV 3210. And here is my project. The project name is Anti-Sleep Alarm to Avoid Accident using MSP430. The component and sensor used in the project is MSP430, IR sensor, LED, and buzzer. This is my PCB of the project. I made this project detachable with all the components using female bug header. When system is on, a green LED light will stay on all the time, showing that the system is working. The system keep on eyes on whether the eye is open or closed using a specified spatial IR sensor. If the sensor see that your eye are closed for a 2 second or more, it will make a alert with the buzzer to wake up. After that, if I stay closed for 5 seconds in a row after the first alert, the system will turn off the green LED which indicate the system is shut down like this, and keep making alert continuously with the buzzer. The system is stay off with the continued noise until the person is wake up and avoid the accident.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S Research. Subscribe now.